I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. I want you back.
I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be hurtful, I could be purple, I could be anything you like.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside that kitty cat. Kitty cat, losing focus just like Fetty Wap. Now where he at, cause I'm tryna make a movie stat. I know he don't like it when I talk back. Run my mouth like Forrest Gump, but I like it when he talk back. Make my pussy throb when he show me up. Zip it up, then beat it up. Never yelling while we pipe it up. I saw a fucking white outside and I'm
3-month room transformation in 15 seconds.
Redecorating my room day 4. The bedding is here. I went with white sheets, white pillows, a black duvet. I am so happy with this purchase. Black marbled pillows with a rose gold zipper. I got them from Bed Bath & Beyond. They're so cute. And lastly, this oversized knitted blanket. I also finished putting up the paintings. It says home and cozy. They also glow in the dark. I forgot to do that one. Time to decorate Hazel's corner. Crate covers are so expensive, so we're just using one of our furry blankets. I bought her some brand new fall toys. Fall is my favorite season. I couldn't pass these up. I put in some treats for her. I think she's gonna like it. To spice up this corner, I added a really pretty plant. There's still paint on my fingers. These lanterns I got from IKEA, and that bling effect though. Oh my gosh, I'm finally done. This took forever. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. What's next? On a normal day, this is what the lighting would look like in the room. And this is my favorite part. It's the vibes for me. Well, redecorating my living room next. Tag Love Sack. Tag Love Sack. Sponsor me, thanks, bye.
Dorota, are you insane? You use the everyday china. Cyrus will think we're just common upper middle class.
Here you guys are. I looked all over the dining hall for you. Oh, hi, I'm Serena.
Buddy, okay, I know things. I've been to Europe. Chuck Bass is my best friend.
Have I not impressed on you three how important tomorrow night is? It's my debut in society. I have to be perfect.
Blair's pathological for sure, but half of what she does is to protect Serena.
Five, 6, 7, 8. Dance with me in my backyard, boy. Looking super fine in your corduroy. Drive me round the block, we can go in a loop. And we'll turn the vibe up on some good boy band tunes. I feel the fresh air, I can feel your eyes staring. I'm not gonna lie, I get a little bit scared. My heart is on wings and living in dreams. And at the top of our lungs we see.
Hey y'all, watch me transform my dorm living room with Dormify. We got a lot of boxes, yeah. First was the rug, hardest part. And then we got the lights up. Then this difficult drawer. Drum roll. Bow. Yeah. Whole new place. I added LED lights to the kitchen. And this is a nighttime view by Dormify. How cute.
I can't help it. You're in my soft spot. My heart melted. You made a soft spot. I can't help it.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
I love it.
I had a dream that someday I would just fly away.
Love's gonna get you killed, but pride's gonna be the death.